Hi everyone, so welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to talk about implant prosthesis and fixed dental bridge. So the reason I have chosen this topic is because to let you know what is the difference between implant crown and the fixed dental bridge, because both of these are the ways of replacing a missing teeth and both of these are a fixed prosthesis. So what is the difference between the dental implants and the fixed dental bridge, and which one should we go for? So let's talk about it. So firstly, let's talk about fixed dental bridge. Fixed dental bridge is a process of replacing a missing teeth, and it is a fixed prosthesis. And in this technique, basically if you have a missing teeth, then the two adjacent teeth are used to gain support and hence replace your missing teeth. So I'm just showing you with the help of this model. As you can see, we have a missing teeth right here and there are two adjacent healthy teeth. So in this process, what we'll be doing is we'll first do the root canal treatment of both these teeth, and then we'll be preparing these teeth. That means we'll just reduce these teeth to some extent so that we can place the caps and gain support from these teeth to replace a missing teeth. So when we do that, this is what we get after reducing the tooth, right? So now the two adjacent teeth are reduced, and now we can just prepare this nicely, take the impressions, and then fabricate a new prosthesis which will be a fixed dental bridge, and then we can cement it in this way and you will be having a fixed dental bridge. So this way we can replace a missing teeth. So now let's talk about the another technique, that is dental implants. So basically in dental implants, the two healthy teeth will remain as it is, will not be even touching this teeth. So basically there is no harm produced to the natural teeth, and only in this region where there is a missing teeth, a dental implant is placed in the bone. It requires a minor surgical procedure to place a dental implants, and once it is placed, an abutment is placed on top of it. So it looks somewhat like this. A dental implant is placed and an abutment is placed on top of it. So once it is done, impression is taken and then a crown is fabricated which is just placed above like this, and this way we can replace a missing teeth. So now we know the two ways in which we can replace a missing teeth. So now let's talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages, which option is better and which option should we go for. Basically when you compare both the techniques, dental implants are the most suitable way of replacing a missing teeth, and it has got many more advantages compared to conventional fixed dental bridge. So let me try to explain some of the advantages of dental implants over fixed dental bridge. So as I said you earlier, in fixed dental bridge we will be requiring the root canal treatment of both the adjacent teeth, and we have to reduce these teeth. So basically we are causing some of the harm to these natural teeth which are already healthy. So in dental implants, this procedure is not required. We don't even need to touch these teeth. There is no harm produced to the adjacent teeth, and straight away an implant is placed in the missing teeth region, and then a crown is placed to replace a missing teeth. So this is one of the most important advantage. And the dental implants, it behaves like a natural teeth. And talking about its aesthetics, the aesthetics is very good, and when you smile it gives a natural look. So it is also easy to clean and maintain a good oral hygiene as well. And another important factor, it prevents bone loss. So when we place a fixed dental bridge, there is always a gap in between two teeth. Where the missing teeth is replaced, there always remains some gap, and with time there will be some bone loss. And when it happens after 3-4 years, you might experience some gap in between the teeth where there may be some food lodgement, and it may cause you pain or irritation. So this might occur in fixed dental bridge after a few years. But since there will be no bone loss in dental implants, this won't happen in case of implants. So this is one of the most important factor. So when we see all the factors and compare two type of prosthesis, dental implants are always the best option to go for. And if everything goes well, other criteria also should be followed, and yeah, if everything goes well, then do choose the right option, and that will be dental implants. Thank you so much. This was all about today's video. I hope it was informative to you all. If it was informative, then do hit the like button. Do subscribe to this channel. We'll be coming up with more of such informative contents. Thank you so much for watching.